Yo guys, what's up? Today is the 6th of January 2025. Today we took one trade, more or less like a one-to-one. And today, so starting with the PNL, today we made around more or less, where is here? 237, more or less. Today we made 237 in the 50k account, like the demo 50k account on TradingView. Let me here. Okay, so let's start with the market recap. So where is here? So okay, so this was my pre-market analysis. So we were making here we have previous day high, Asia session high, London session high. So my idea was coming down to swipe some of those liquidity, which here in ES OSB uh, was already taken. So more or less we have an SMT, internal SMT. The only thing that like didn't allow me to consider this an SMT, whereas here is because on NASDAQ we made equal lows. So equal lows is a strong drawn liquidity, and I didn't want to take it to trade just off of this. Okay, this is like the explanation why I didn't took this trade here, and I'm gonna show you the trade. As you can see here, we have a bunch of lows, right? 15-minute lows and 15-minute liquidity here. A lot of lows, plus this London low, plus this 4-hour gap. Okay, so this is the situation right now. At market open, let's go to 1 minute. At market open, we push higher, taking out London session highs, and we retrace back into what? 5 minute. So this is the first trade that I lost, not because I lost money on it, but because I didn't take it. Why? Let's dive into it. So this is a 5 minute gap, right? After the open, we came down, we swept a London high, then we came down to retest this 5 minute gap, and here we have a 5 minute low, right? If you go down, see here, this 5 minute low has been taken here, create a gap here which has been inverted, and this, knowing that we still have previous day high above and Asia high, even if NASDAQ already take it, but ES didn't, so we can put our stop loss here and first take profit here for a nice 2.27, then here for 366, right? Break even at the first internal high here. Let me set break even, right? So as soon as we tap this level, we put our stop on break even, and yeah. So this is the first trade that I lost, and I didn't take it, right? We can delete all this because it's not necessary for us. Then what? I let price push until I saw this, right? So let's go in 1 minute. In 1 minute, we have buy side liquidity, so the highest point in this leg, followed by various failed swing like this one, right? As soon as we went up to take out this and reject and close a bearish candle, I looked up here and said, like, let me see, we have a 5 minute here, right? We have a 5 minute. Let me remove this. We have a 5 minute here. We took this failed swing, right? So everything was aligned to go down. Then what I saw was this 1 minute gap open up, be inverted, and as you can see, the feel was very shit, right? My initial idea was uh, this one. This one was my initial idea. Then, when this 1 minute candle inverted the gap, I pressed short and nothing. I got a bad fill due to spread, maybe, don't know. And I got filled right there. So we wait for price to retrace inside the 1 minute inverted fair value gap, right? And at this internal low, we set break even. We went down to 1 RR, close out the position here, and put the stop at break even here. Okay, I don't know why, but after putting my stop loss to break even, maybe it wasn't really break even, and I lost $40. But this is not the problem. What I did good, what I did bad. What I did good is let price develop price action, because here there was no price action. Yeah, price action was here, but wasn't good. Um, Another thing that I did like in a good way was identify this MMX buy model. And why I said buy, because this was our sell leg and this is our buy leg, right? um this is not like an A plus setup, because we didn't have SMT, and we didn't swept something that was high probability, right? So, mm, which was the, maybe, let me say this, correct trade of today, right? This one, after taking buy side liquidity of the range, even in 5 minute, we see that down there we have a 15 minute rebalance, which is like the Blake model, PV trading Blake model. So we have this 15 minute gap here, um, buy side got taken. We have this inversion here, so we can take the short here, um, stop here, and rebalance at the 15 minute, right? And that would be on 3R trade. Yeah, very happy for today, because I got kind of lucky, let me say this, hoping for 2 lot contracts, and yeah, made $237 on this one. In reality, it was more. It was 279, but with the $40 stop loss, kind of stop loss, this is the situation we are in right now. So, for the 50K account, today we took one trade, and let me go here. Today we took one trade, was a win, and we still down to 89. So let's see in the next couple of days if we can do something to like get closer to our TP, which is 2500. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow with another win. If it's not, hope you're doing great, and have a nice day, dog.